Hey guys, I'm back, and today I'm just here, and I'm kind of like, I don't know, because something is over here and it hurts very bad. So I'm making a slime video today of my new slime, and yeah, I'm gonna take it out. Hold on. Kind of sticky. Very hard to get out. Okay. Hold on. This is my slime. I'm going to stick into the table a little bit, just a bit. Okay, good. How do you take it off? Hey, guys, and here's my slime. I better look at it. It's crunchy and glittery. It's a crunchy slime. And it's like, yeah. And I will be giving away some small baby water guns. And they only if you subscribe and I get a third subscriber, then you'll get one of these. You can get this one or this one. And if you subscribe to 4, then you can get both of them. So if you subscribe to 10, then you'll get this one. If you subscribe to 20, you'll get all of them. So yeah. I got yesterday at the party was good. Yeah, and I got like a little unicorn bracelet. I don't know how it is, but yeah, Mr. Monkey. And I also got this weird ring. This is like really weird. Look, this is like a music thing. That's something I know. That's what I know. Okay, so yeah, I got and I'm also giving away this ball. If you subscribe to 10, if you subscribe to 5, then you'll get this ball. And if you subscribe to 15, you'll get both of them. Here's this. Yeah, and I got 2 snap bracelets. And if you subscribe to 4, then you'll get this one, and if you subscribe to 14, then you'll get this one. These are my snap bracelets. And I got 2 of these. If you always subscribe 1, then you'll get this. Then you'll get this one, and if you subscribe to like 2, then you'll get like this. Which is that. If you subscribe like this, if you subscribe like to 4, then you'll probably get this. You'll probably get like this one, yeah. And I think that's all. That's my slime, but we're not done. I've got some jiggly slime. Look. I couldn't find it, guys. So yeah, here's my slime. Bad Mr. Baldi, hold on. Okay. So this ball escaped. Okay, so don't think Justin Peters, they're good. So, yeah. What are you doing now?
Are you making a video?
Yes. No.
I just don't know. I was going to say I should.
Okay, let's go. What? Okay, guys, this is my slime. Yeah.
What's the candy?
I think I'm okay. Yeah. So, I am giving a shout out to my sisters, Ashley and Maggie. And to, I don't know who else, I forgot. Shout out to the 4th person who subscribed to my cousin's vlog. So yeah, guys, it's slime, crunchy slime, and it's like butter. And I will sell this for 100 subscribers. When 100 subscribers and 1,000 views. Yes, that's right.
Yeah, let me show you the 5 others I got yesterday at the.
No, your mom got them for you.
Well, yeah, I still have them.
I got $6 in my piggy bank. No, I actually got I got $8 in my piggy bank. And Coca-Cola bank. Look at the one. Okay, guys. So yeah, I'm making another slime video next, probably like tomorrow. And after making tomorrow, I'm getting a new slime. This is my $6. But I gave $2 to my mom and my dad because today's a special day for them. Today's Father's Day. Oh, and also shout out to my dad and shout out to my mom again. Shout out to both of them again. Have food. Okay. So yeah. I'm gonna invite my mom. I'm gonna take them to go eat to Baskin-Robbins probably, and I'm gonna get a new slime. A new purple, Galaxy, Jiggly, Boo Boo slime. So yeah. I'm gonna like put them in like here. I gotta pay my mom bills. I ain't got no time to chill. I put it like in here. Oh no, the table. Okay, there we go. My mom says not to get this on the table, but I already did. I'll just say that. She says be careful with it. No, what happened? This happened. This is hard. I got 3 Nerf guns. I got 3 Nerf guns.
No, it says Star Wars.
I got 3 water guns.
Okay, that is one.
I'm actually. Some people already got them for $2.
Huh?
Santiago and his little brother Cheeto already got him for $2.
Where did you get it?
Wait, did you get one? You probably got one. It's probably like down there. So I got this other one. There's a problem with the other one.
Can I use one of them?
Look guys, it like goes like, when I push it back, it stays there.
So can I use one of them?
Hold on, not right now because they're like water guns.
I know.
One day, whenever they get wet.
I wanted to use it to prank Chella.
Prank Chella?
I want to get her back home because she ruined my birthday.
No, she didn't.
Kind of.
I'm not gonna use my water guns to prank my sister.
Me.
I'm not gonna give my water guns to prank my sister.
Do you like Melissa more?
Huh?
Who do you like more?
I like both of them the same. So yeah. So yeah, guys, these are my slime. Like, if y'all really liked it, then yeah, then y'all can like comment down below. Yeah, if you have slime that is almost like, I'm calling this like snow slime, snow glossy crunchy slime, because it's like really sparkly. And yeah. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.